Okay, everyone, welcome back to a very, very exciting video. And by exciting, I mean they're always exciting. Um, this one, super special. So, this is for the Glock 21. My boy Ivan, Ghost Dynamics, did some awesome work for me. Now, this is the most I've ever spent on trigger work, and it's going to be worth it. So I've got the Boogeyman trigger, and he went through, did the connector, springs, polished everything, made this a beautiful trigger. And then we got, so there's my springs, changed all those. And then this is what's super nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. RMR. He went ahead and hit the sides for me, make them look nice and slick. But that is sweet. This Glock 21 is going to be freaking amazing. I can't wait to try with this trigger, that DPM recoil reduction, you know, the red dot. I mean, this thing's just going to be So stay tuned for this, guys. I got to get some stuff done, but I'm going to be taking the frame. I'm going to grab it real quick, because now I can go ahead and do what I got to do to get this Cerakoted, do the laser stippling work, and I got myself one badass Gucci Glock 21. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.